Okay, real talk for any developer or creators out there. 3D modeling can be a serious bottleneck, right? Blender's amazing, but the time investment, huge. The learning curve, steep. Enters AI. We're seeing a flood of new tools aiming to fix this, and a big one making noise is Cube 3D from Roblox. The promise? Making 3D creation way less painful and way more accessible. But is it just hype or a genuinely useful tool? We're diving deep into Cube 3D, putting it head-to-head conceptually with Blender, and figuring out if AI is actually ready to revolutionize how we build 3D worlds for games, films, or whatever you're cooking up. Let's dive right in. So, what is Cube 3D? Launched by Roblox early this year, Cube 3D is an AI model that generates 3D objects from simple text prompts, streamlining the creation process for developers and creators. It's designed to make 3D asset creation intuitive, allowing anyone to type something like a futuristic city skyscraper and get a 3D model in seconds. What makes Cube 3D stand out is its integration with Roblox Studio, the platform's development environment, and its open source availability. You can access it on GitHub and Hugging Face, where developers can tweak and customize it. Cube 3D uses a technique called 3D tokenization, breaking down objects into manageable pieces, much like how AI processes words in a sentence. This new tool is like a beta test version. Think of it as the rough draft of a supercharged 3D cheat code. Its secret weapon? A mesh generation API, which is just a nerdy way of saying it auto-builds 3D shapes, so you don't have to manually sculpt polygons while crying into your coffee. Want to whip up a dragon, a spaceship, or a giant floating taco in seconds? This lets you prototype ideas faster than you can say, "Why is my Roblox avatar glitching again?" The real win? It's making 3D design less elite hacker club and more everyone's invited. For Roblox's 85 million daily users, aka roughly the population of Germany, this means even kids and beginners can slap AI into their games. Imagine a 10-year-old creating a laser-shooting llama castle without needing a PhD in Blender. It's not just a tool, it's a backstage pass to the future of creativity. Now let's see Cube 3D in action. First, open Roblox Studio. Find the AI assistant, typically located under the View tab or in the upper right corner. Once it's open, type a command like "Generate a golden treasure chest with jewels." Cube 3D processes this prompt and creates a 3D mesh matching your description almost instantly. Once generated, the model appears in your workspace. You can then use Roblox Studio's tools to refine it, add textures, adjust colors, or tweak its shape. For example, you might generate a flaming sword, and then customize its glow effect to fit your game's aesthetic. This process is a huge time saver compared to traditional modeling, where building a detailed asset could take hours. Cube 3D lets creators focus on ideas rather than technical skills, making it perfect for quick iterations or beginners just starting out. Now let's compare Cube 3D to Blender, a powerhouse in traditional 3D modeling. Blender is Ocean's 11's Danny Ocean, a meticulous mastermind who plans every detail, down to the millisecond. Need to crack a vault with laser precision? Danny's your guy. But pulling off the perfect heist means weeks of blueprints, rehearsals, and navigating a maze of gadgets. Similarly, Blender offers unparalleled control for crafting hyper-detailed models, whether it's a photorealistic dragon or a crumbling Gothic cathedral. The catch? You'll need the patience of a safecracker and a PhD in Blenderese to unlock its full potential. Cube 3D, on the other hand, that's Mission Impossible's Ethan Hunt, equipped with AI-powered gadgets that just work. Need to infiltrate a fortress? Ethan slaps on a holographic mask and walks right in. No fuss, no 20-step plan. Cube 3D operates the same way. Type futuristic spaceship and voila. It generates a game-ready model before you can say self-destruct sequence activated. perfect for Roblox creators who want to skip the heist prep and jump straight to the action. In terms of speed, Blender is like building a house brick by brick. You could craft a stunning Victorian mansion, but it'll take weeks of measuring, hammering, and swearing at crooked walls. Cube 3D, on the other hand, is like ordering a prefab tiny home. Type modern cabin, hit a button, and poof, it's delivered to your digital doorstep in seconds. Perfect for when you're racing against a deadline or just want to test an idea without the headache. But here's the catch. Blender's slow and steady approach gives you total control. Imagine being able to redesign every doorknob, adjust the angle of each roof tile, or even add a secret room behind a bookshelf. Cube 3D trades that precision for simplicity. You can resize walls or swap out windows, but you're stuck with the blueprint you ordered. It's like customizing a pizza versus inventing a new recipe. One's faster, the other lets you go wild with toppings, or in this case, polygons. And that's where purpose comes in. Blender is your go-to for projects where details matter, like designing a spaceship for a sci-fi movie or animating a dragon that looks like it could crawl off the screen. Cube 3D, it's the MVP for Roblox creators who need a quirky castle, a neon obstacle course, or a herd of glow-in-the-dark llamas right now. One tool is for crafting masterpieces, the other is for sparking joy, and maybe a few viral games, without the fuss. The amazing thing about AI-powered 3D generators like Cube 3D is that they are poised to transform multiple industries. In game development, they enable faster asset creation, leading to richer, more diverse games. Imagine a Roblox creator building an entire sci-fi world in hours instead of weeks. In film and animation, AI can speed up concept art and prop design, though detailed character work might still rely on tools like Blender. For product design and architecture, rapid 3D prototyping can spark innovation, letting designers test ideas quickly. Perhaps the most exciting part is the accessibility. Tools like Cube 3D lower the barrier to entry, empowering students, hobbyists, and small studios to create without needing years of training. As AI evolves, we might see entire virtual worlds generated from a single prompt, blending human creativity with machine efficiency. To wrap up, Cube 3D is a game changer for 3D creation, offering speed and simplicity that complements traditional tools like Blender. It's not about replacing one with the other. It's about expanding possibilities for creators everywhere. Try Cube 3D yourself in Roblox Studio or explore its code on GitHub and let us know in the comments what you think about AI in 3D creation. Join us on Thursday for another exciting episode. Thank you for watching.